What's up YouTube? Today I'll be reviewing this DRL light that I bought from Lazada. I'll be posting in the description the link to buy this one. So I'll be showing you, this is the effect at night of the running time. I'll be showing next the flowing effect of the signal. So this is it, daytime. This is the flowing when turning, turn signals, and also the hazard. I'll be showing next what it looks like at night. Alright, this is during nighttime. It really looks cool, the flowing effect for the turn signals and hazards. And here it is, what it looks like at night for the running light. So it only activates when you turn on the light. Okay, so the installation in this one is fairly easy, just as long as you know what you're doing with the electronics, because you'll be tapping the source from the 12 volts on the existing light of the vehicle. So say for example the park light, you're going to be tapping 12 volts from there, and also tapping from the wire of the turn signal to be able to supply the effect. So again, just as long as you know what you're doing, you're going to be waiving the warranty, so just make sure that that's a precaution that you know what you're doing. So again, thank you, and yep.